Hey everyone, I'm kateschwanke and welcome back to my channel for a fun new unboxing. I am unboxing JuJuBe's newest chromatic colors, Indigo and Lilac, and I'm also unboxing their newest Disney collaboration print, Once Upon a Time, which I'm super excited about. I'm actually excited about all three of them, but I did want to say, isn't JuJuBe coming out with the best stuff recently? Especially their new Beyond collection, which I will also be unboxing. I'm super excited about that one. So I'm gonna try and make this fast because it is a double unboxing and I bought a lot of the chromatics. So I'm gonna try and go through it quickly, but also tell you guys all the details that I can in a short period of time. So here's the first box. Oh yeah, it's big, and I'm sitting in a different area this time than I normally do. I just wanted to see if this was gonna work because the lighting is so good in my dining room. Here we go. If I sound a little different right now, it's because I've been sick all week, and it's been awful. So I'm recovering still from that. Here we go. All right, I wanna make sure. Yep, this is it. I wasn't sure which box had what in it, so here we go. Indigo and Lilac, here we go. So Indigo, what is that? Oh, that's their cardboard. Let's see, I think it might be easier if I put this down, because this is a big box. Woo! I forgot I got the Super Bee in this color. So one of the things I love about the Indigo is that it reminds me of a very dark denim. And I love the chromatics fabric because it really does feel like more like a denim that way with this color. But it is so rich and beautiful, and really men and women can use this color. It's super classy looking. Oh, I love it. I love this color. Oh, it's dark, you guys, but I love it. Can you see that color? Hopefully you can. But it is a very, oh, there we go, that's better. A very dark navy. It's really, really pretty. There is the logo. You have a gold logo with this one. So the thing with this color that I was thinking is that the JuJuBe Nautical Legacy collection would probably look awesome with this. So if you guys have some of that, then it would look awesome with this. And maybe we need to tell JuJuBe to make some more nautical colors because I loved that when they released it. So let's see what the lining is like. Oh, it looks like that goldish, mushroomy type of color. So, and that's actually like a legacy color too. So can you guys see that okay? I know it's difficult because this is a Super Bee. That's the inside. I really love this color though. I just feel like it's so gender neutral, so anybody can use this. So that was my Super Bee in Indigo. Oh, I'm gonna go ahead and pull out all my lilac stuff. I'm still getting used to my voice sounding like this. I don't know if you guys can even tell a difference, but it's so much deeper than normal. It makes me laugh. Oh, this color. Oh, it actually look, it matches my shirt. All right. So I got a Be Set, a BFF, a Be Cool, and a mini BFF. I could not pass up any of these in this beautiful lilac pastel color, you guys. And lavender is just one of my favorite colors. It is so pretty. Well, all pastels are, but I just love it. And you guys know every time JuJuBe comes out with a new pastel, I have to get it in a BFF. It's like part of my collection, you know? So I have a lot of the chromatics pastel colors in BFFs. I love it. Here is the BFF in Lilac. And I believe a lot of this is still available on the website. So if you guys want to shop JuJuBe with me, I would love that. My affiliate link is always live. You guys can use it whenever you want. I will leave it down in the description below for you guys. If you do use it, please let me know so I can thank you personally. So let's see what the lining is like on this one. I think it's the same. Actually, I think this is lighter. It has more of a champagne feel to it. It's really pretty. I think I like this lining better. In fact, this lining probably would have looked really pretty with this one too. But honestly, I like both. I think I like the deeper color with the deeper lining. I think that looks really good actually. But this is super pretty. And this is rose gold. This is so pretty. This one is regular gold, which I wasn't aware of. I thought they were both the same shade of gold, but I love the rose gold with the lilac. It's so pretty. Oh, I love it. Okay, so that's the BFF. Also, I want you guys to comment down below after all my unboxing is complete and let me know what your favorite bag was from this unboxing. All right, here's the Be Cool. I'm just gonna quickly show you guys these each real quick so you can see them. This is an insulated lunchbox or bottle cooler. You can use it however you want. I use mine for snacks and things on trips, and it works awesome. Here's the Be Set. Now, I'm not gonna open this one all the way because it doesn't have print placement that I need to worry about. But basically, if you're new to JuJuBe, this is a set of 3 pouches. So you have a large, a medium, and a small. And they are perfect for packing your diaper bags with. Perfect. Love them. And then I have the mini BFF, which I personally like to use as a purse for myself, but you could definitely give this to your child and they can wear it as a backpack because it is just the perfect size for kids. Isn't that adorable? Oh, it's so cute. Okay, so that is all the lilac stuff. I do have this. Ooh, it's so pretty in this color. I really am happy that they did the gold with this color. There's the Indigo Be Set, you guys. I love the hardware too. Super pretty. Okay, so that is the Chromatics unboxing. I'm gonna go get a glass of water. All this talking is making me want to cough. I'll be right back. Here's my box with the Once Upon a Time stuff. I'm excited about this one, you guys. Hold on. Ah, that's so much better. Okay, here we go. Classic Disney princesses. Can't beat that, honestly. Like, that's where it all began. Snow White, you know? Here we go. I have so many memories of Snow White. My great aunt actually worked on the Disney movie Snow White, like the original one. So that has a lot of, you know, meaning for me, but this print is so pretty. I love this print. Oh, let me pull out a bag though so you guys can see the full print. Oh, I love it. You know, like when I was a little girl, I watched all of these movies religiously. Like, they were my favorite princesses ever, especially Ariel and Aurora. I don't know what it was about those two, but Ariel was like my princess, you know, and Aurora, I just thought she was the prettiest one with the definitely most handsome prince. Philip blows everybody out of the water, guys. I'm just saying. So, I love this. And Jasmine too, oh my gosh. So, okay, here are the princesses that are included. You have Aurora, Snow White, Cinderella, Ariel, Belle, and Jasmine. And those are your classic princesses that are on this bag. I'm obsessed with this, and I am almost 100% sure I'm gonna take this the next time we go to Disney just because I love it so much. It's perma-stash. I love it that much. I love it. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. These coral zippers are so awesome. Oh, I forgot that this came with this. I have to pull this out of here. So the BFF actually comes as like a mommy and me package with the mini BFF inside of it. And so there you go. Honestly, you can't go wrong with print placement in this print. Oh, I love this. This is so cute. Here is the mini BFF. There is the print. Oh, the inside. I'm gonna show you guys the inside. It has all the princesses' names written on there. You can see there's the change pad in there. You also have the messenger strap and the backpack straps in here. This is so cute. I love it. Love it. Takes me back So that is the BFF. I don't know if I even showed you guys it yet because I was oogling it so much. Isn't that so cute? Love it. So these two bags go together. Oh. Oh. I totally forgot that I did get some giveaway items along with this stuff to share with you guys. So you are gonna definitely want to go and follow me on Instagram if you don't already. This is my Instagram handle over here. And go follow me because I will have some giveaways coming up. Here is my Be Cool. You're definitely gonna want one of these around for Disney trips. So you can keep all your waters, baby bottles cold in there. So cute. And then I have a Be Set. I'm really not worried about print placement with this one. I had to go get a throat lozenge. Sorry guys. But the scale of this print with the princess's face is just the right size for all the pieces that JuJuBe made for this release. So it's just perfect. Look at that print placement. You can't do any better than that. I love it. This is so cute. I cannot wait to do my giveaway for you guys. It's gonna be fun. And so that is my unboxing, you guys. I hope you loved it. This stuff is so cute and I literally cannot wait for the new Beyond collection stuff to arrive. That's gonna be so much fun to unbox. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know what your favorite unboxed item was today. And let me know if you're gonna get any of the items that I mentioned in this video or what's on your wish list for this print or the chromatics. I'd also love to hear what you think of the new Beyond collection items. There's a new tote. There's a new clutch, like crossbody bag. There's new bee charges. I'm so excited about those. I actually ordered one of each of the new colors. I'm so excited. You guys know that I use those bee charges like religiously in my videos. They are so awesome. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel while you're here if you're new. Thanks for watching.